I've been using GoPro cameras for several years now and have switched quite a few models. I use the GoPro camera for recording my travels and for posting on social media. However, the same problem arises on every trip. Too many things in the backpack. The problem with the GoPro camera is that you need a lot of accessories for normal use, and there's never enough space in the backpack. And those accessories are not just unsightly, they are uncomfortable as well. Imagine recording your bike ride with a GoPro camera and having all those weird GoPro straps around your head. So, this year, I discovered the new small camera, Insta360 GO3, which meets all my needs, and I don't need a bunch of accessories for normal use. I won't go into technical specifications because you can find them everywhere. I can say that this camera is excellent, meets all my needs as a traveler. The quality can be seen from this video. It has a magnet, and with this magnet, I can attach it to my cap or shirt, and I can start recording normally. For normal use, the recordings are also of high quality, check in my video. GoPro has true 4K, but you have to ask yourself if you really need 4K. The Insta360 GO3 has 2.7K, which is more than enough for normal viewing on a phone or computer. Even 1080 quality recordings are good for viewing on a phone or computer, so the 2.7K quality is more than sufficient for my use on social media. My GoPro cameras have gone into the box of old things I no longer use. Now I use the Insta360 GO3, and I'm very satisfied with this camera. Now, you can watch videos I recorded with the Insta GO3 while walking or cycling.
Let's go up this way.
Yo lo llamo aquí una hora y ya me tiene el carro listo.
Which is over here. Okay? And the second thing, you don't share. It is always customary that we have many cigars in our pocket, so if I run to you, let's smoke, I give you a whole cigar. And it's mostly more about the alcohol, more about you
Somebody else? Yeah. You love it, baby. You are in trouble. No, you are in trouble. She's the one party, you're the one sleeping. I know. Putting smart cue at the top. Yes, please. I like it. Yes, please. Somebody else?
Get out of your way.
There you go. You good? Yes, why not? Here we go.
Look, somebody bouncing off the lenses. Wow.
Well, this little baby right here, you're gonna have one white. Lay it on right here, the best brand of human company. At the bottom of the metal cup, the amount of sugar you're gonna enjoy with your cup. So while brewing, you're gonna be just mixing everything, shaking everything. So the flavor comes on the top. That's why it's different.
抱过来，妈就在小号那个位置。来，往前走。往前走，你过。